Then part D, highlight 5 details contained in the register of directors. Details contained in the register of directors. Register of directors. Now, the register of directors is an important document that contains essential details about the directors of a company and candidates. While the specific requirements may vary based on the jurisdiction and the local company laws, there are some common details often included in the register of directors. And these are the details I'm going to list. One is the full name of the directors, full names of the directors, full name. The register will list the full legal names of all directors associated with the company. 2, residential address. The residential address. It will contain the residential addresses of the directors, and this information may be used for official communication and legal purposes. Nationality. Nationality. The nationality of each director is typically recorded in the register of directors. 4, date of birth. The date of birth of each director is included in the register. This helps to uniquely identify individuals with similar names. The date of birth can be used to uniquely distinguish the directors with similar names. Date of appointment, number 5. Date of appointment. The date of appointment. The register will note the date on which each director was appointed to the position. Why? Because it helps to track the tenure and changes in the directorships over time. If the date of appointment is known, then it's possible to tell the tenure of each director. So these are some of the details contained in the register of directors: full names, residential addresses, nationalities, date of birth, and date of appointment. 5 marks. Thank you. Bye bye.